Hello and welcome to ProPak Asia 2026. I'm Christophe LOPEZ, Chief Commercial Officer of Leibinger. It's a pleasure to be here in Bangkok and to meet customers and partners from across Asia. Asia is shaping the future of manufacturing faster than ever. The speed of growth and innovation is creating new opportunities and new challenges. Manufacturers must produce more with the same resources. They need to control cost, improve traceability, reduce waste, and maintain the highest quality standards. At Leibinger, we believe that great production performance starts with great technology. This is why we invest in the core of our technology, the part that keeps production lines running day after day with maximum reliability and minimum operator intervention. One of the biggest trends across Asia is simple: you have to do more with fewer people. As labor costs rise and skilled operators become harder to find, every minute of uptime matters. Manufacturers need systems that are easy to operate, highly reliable, and designed to keep production lines moving. At the same time, the industry is entering a new era with the rapid adoption of 2D barcodes. Brand owners and retailers are preparing for a future of better traceability, stronger brand protection, greater supply chain visibility, and richer consumer engagement. This is why we introduced 2D Jet, our latest innovation, bringing the next generation of coding directly to the production line. It enables manufacturers to print GS1 compliant 2D barcodes with minimum changes to existing production lines, making the transition to the new standard simple, cost-effective, and scalable. For us, technology only matters if it helps our customers to succeed. Our mission is to help manufacturers, brand owners, retailers, and our partners to turn coding and marking into a real competitive advantage. So if you're visiting ProPak this week, come and meet our team at the Leibinger booth. Whether you want to improve productivity, prepare for 2D barcode, or simplify your operations, we will be happy to discuss your goals. Let us show you why the future of coding may be much simpler than you think. We look forward to meeting you.
A smarter approach to coding and marking. Leibinger!